Hey guys, welcome back. Martin here from the futures room of the ShadowTrader Trading Suite. Today I'm looking over ES futures from November 6, 2025, what happened today and what we can expect moving forward. So we had a nice little sell-off in the morning periods. What it was really characterized by is a pre-market push higher into the 68.43 area, an immediate drop right before the open into what would be a counter auction, and this fake out hold of the overnight low of 68.04 and a quarter, popping it back up, enticing longs to get long against now maybe the recovery to the highs, and then instantly dropping through key supports at 6800 and below. Once we dropped in the morning, I will just note the 67.84 level. It is just a zero gamma level where any kind of stability option dealers can provide us is gone. So once we broke that level, it was all downside on that especially high volatility movements and the very speedy action. VIX was elevated, moves were extended. We got to the blows. We held down to the 67.33 area, and ultimately the 67.40 to 50 area became a support area between multiple periods here. Then we closed at 67.49 and 3/4, which sort of ties into my last video of watching the close or settle price. What does this close mean to us? Because we attempted to recover, we got these lows, we pushed an I, J, K, trying to take us back to at least maybe 6800 to find some sort of balance. Ultimately, we couldn't get over that key gamma level of 67.84 and a half-ish, and we sold back off. Us closing well below both VWAP from the day and high volume nodes really puts sellers in the lower balance, and usually this is a good indicator that it's going to proceed a push lower as the auction seeks more demand below to find value. Now, how much lower? That remains to be seen. So our roadmap for tomorrow is really based around the settle close price 67.49 3/4. Or the RTH view up 67.73 and a half. Essentially, if we open and we might prod that area 67.73, but ultimately break through 67.49 3/4, then we'll be looking for more downside targets, and those will be 67.32, 67.20, and 6700. Possibly as low as 66.96, which was a nice little zone of support and balancing from earlier in October. On the flip side, if we can get over 67.73 and hold it and start getting into the zone of 67.84, we might get that stable price action that will help us build slowly into the highs. If we can accept 67.84, 85, we'll have a pretty smooth ride into 68, 68.08, 68.20 to 24 upper range here, which is right in yesterday's overnight halfback and the previous day's halfback. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please stay safe as volatility is elevated, and I will see you in the next one. Hi, this is Martin from the futures room of the Live Trading Suite. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And if you'd like to trade live with me in real time, click the link in the description below. I will see you in the room.